Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to set up different email alerts on the merchant website. First, log into the merchant website at www.repeatrewards.com using your credentials given. Then, from the left-hand navigation area, choose My Account, and then choose Alerts. First, I'm going to detail the different types of alerts that are available, and then I'll show you how to set up an email address and sign up for one of these. So the first one is transaction tracking. This would be an alert to let you know if there's any particular day that there was not any transactions added. This way you can make sure that your data transfer option, such as a terminal, tablet, or different point-of-sale system, isn't experiencing any issues. Next one is prohibited transactions fraud prevention alert. This alert would be to let you know that there's been a prohibited transaction that needs to be reviewed. A prohibited transaction is a transaction in an amount greater than what you've deemed should go directly to a member's account. This is a number that you'll set up with our customer support staff, and then this alert would let you know that you have one for review. So you can choose to either allow the member to receive it or to reject it. The next is a rejected transactions fraud prevention alert. This alert is to let you know when there have been a large amount of rejected transactions that require your review. A transaction could be rejected for a variety of reasons, including maybe some bad data that was sent across or invalid member numbers entered. And it's a good thing to check these periodically to make sure that you're accepting or revising so that those members can get their points. The next one is a certificates fraud prevention alert. This would be to let you know that one single member received a large amount of certificates. You'll select how many certificates you'd like to be alerted about and how often you'd like to receive this alert. So that way you can make sure there's no potential fraud going on at your location. The next one is a transactions fraud prevention alert, which also is used to help prevent fraud at your location. But this one is to let you know if a single member received a large amount of transactions during a set time frame, so you can make sure that there wasn't an error or some potential fraud. Then we have a communications alert, and this would be to let you know of any marketing communications like emails or mail that had been processed for your account on a single day. This would let you just give you an idea of how many of a particular campaign may be coming in soon. The Quick Stats alert is a great alert to keep you up to date on what's going on with your loyalty program. And you can select how often you'd like to receive it and where you'd like to receive it. This will tell you things like how many new members you have, what the total sales were during that period, number of transactions, so you can just keep an eye on how things are going and set goals for your program. To opt in for an alert, for any of these alerts, but for this one, we'll opt in. So select yes, choose when you'd like it, so either daily, weekly on Mondays, or monthly, which would be on the first of the month. And then you can enter in your email. First, you'll enter in your name. Then your email address you'd like to be receiving this at. And then you can either choose to add yourself to a certain list, like maybe managers or staff, or if you just want to add it to just one list, you'll hit save. Now you can choose the email address that you've added and click Save Changes for a current location. If you have multiple locations, you could also apply those changes across all by selecting all locations at the bottom. Thank you for watching this episode of the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. If you have any questions, please contact our support team at 866-268-4958 or email us at merchantservices@repeatrewards.com.